Today we have two adorable quick braid hairstyle you want to learn from or allow your child to learn from, or you just want somebody to learn from this. Yes, you can actually watch this video and learn how to do a quick cornrow, very simple cornrow. So let's kick things off and let's go. Can you see how sleek and neat each braid is? Perfectly laid from the front to the back. Now the magic of this braid, you're going to see it at the end of the braid, okay? And it brings so much, the magic attached to this braid brought so much life and fun to the look of this braid. And this braid or this cornrow is let's say perfect for school, play dates, or even showing up stylish every day. So I do not want to limit it to a specific time or occasion. In summer, in winter, during school, during play dates, when you want to show up, your kids want to show up, they can always wear this hairstyle. This hairstyle is quick to install, it is pain free and easy to maintain. Yes, easy to maintain. And the only thing you just have to do for this hairstyle is to oil your scalp and tie it up when if you have a satin bonnet, and it stays fresh for days. I would advise you always tie your braids up if you really want it to stay for days. This hairstyle was a little bit of Brazilian wool was added to this braid, and you wouldn't even quickly notice. It's just, I feel adding that wool helps with the firmness and would also help the hair last longer. That's what adding the wool will do. Then to the front of the hairstyle, she's bringing the base to the sides. We have different patterns of braid, right? So she's bringing the braids to the sides, and make sure, not now that most stylists use hair gel. Then when we braid our hair, we usually use our hair butter or hair cream, and that's what this mom is using for our daughter here, Paris. Now the end of this braid, like I said, has a magic, and soon you're going to see the magic I am talking about. Now this braid is completed perfectly. Here comes the magic. Can you see that? The magic is that those colorful rubber band she's using to decorate the hair, just that, so the hair won't look just plain and just simple like that. Yes, it's good to be simple and make simple hair, but let's just do a little bit of fancy stuffs and paparazzi. You get shit? So even Paris is smiling because she loves the rubber band. And here comes the rubber band. You can find this mom, Paris and mom, on any social media platform. Yes, I said so. If you love what they are doing. So the rubber band brought a little bit of more brightness to this hair, because the hair itself is beautiful. So the rubber band gave it a more beautiful look. And we've come to the end of this first braid hairstyle. Don't forget to always moisturize your braids when you do it, so that you can avoid a whole lot of breakage issues or wala. Now let's go to the second braid. This second braid is basically for somebody who wants to learn how to make stitch braids and you don't know your way around it. So the first thing you're going to do is start by cutting your hair. Prep your hair first, then you cut your hair second, then you apply the gel, because there is no stitch braids without gel. And that's it. If you want to get the sleek stitch braid, you actually need gel. Can we talk about the parts of this braids? Yes, the parts of this braids. The parts of this braids is sharp, clean, and professional. I said so. The touch of color at the ends of this hair, even though most hair break when you apply colors. I used to say if I'm going to ever apply colors to my hair, it's going to be at the tip so I can avoid breakage from the root. So I just gave you an expo now. So if you're going to ever apply colors to your hair, you can just do your tip. Don't allow the colors get to the root so that the chemicals would not penetrate into your follicles and break your hair on the long run. So the tips is preferable you add color to. So the touch of that color at the ends gives the style its own personality. It gave the style its personality. Yeah, if you look at it when they finish, this style is giving confidence, it's giving beauty, and the magic hands, of course, making this hair. So then another thing is the colorful fern look or the sleek details of this braid. I'll love that you let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know. And to this end, before further ado, before I close, if you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other mamas, aunties, big sisters looking for cute braid expo. You can also save it up for yourself. You can save it up for your apprentice, and you can just save it up if you are learning or wishing to learn hairstyling one day. This braid is almost done, and this particular braid, there was no extension added. It was whole our hair. Can you see the color at the tip? Now we have come to the end of this beautiful stitch braid. Did you learn something? Let me know in the comment section.